S556 Strategy. As shown in the figure below, there exists a business process consisting of activities A, B, and C. When an information system is installed to achieve improvement, what is the percentage of reduction in the person-hours required for manufacturing a product in comparison with before the improvement? Here, the arrows in the figure indicate the sequence of the activities, and the person-hours are calculated by multiplying the number of staff members by the working hours. Before the improvement, the number of staff members required for each activity is 10. The working hours required per product are 3 hours for activity A, 3 hours for activity B, and 4 hours for activity C. After the improvement, the number of staff members required for activity A is reduced by half. The working hours required per product in activity C are reduced by half. A 35, B 20, C 30, D 15. As mentioned in the question, person hours are calculated by multiplying the number of staff members by the working hours. So, the equation for person hours is the number of staff members times the working hours. First of all, before the improvement, considering the conditions as stated in the question, to manufacture a product, we get the following person hours. So it said each number of hours for each activity A, B, and C, and the number of staff. So from these, we can calculate the person hours for each activity. So before the improvement person hours, the total hours of person hours is 100. And after the improvement, considering the conditions as stated in the question, we get following person hours. So for activity A, it said the number of staff members is reduced by half. So let's mark this in yellow. So number of staff for activity A halved. Activity C, the working hours is reduced by half. So working hours reduced by half from 4 to 2. So from these, we do the same to calculate the person hours. And we get the total person hours after the improvement as 65. So, what you need to work out is the percentage of reduction in the person hours required for manufacturing a product in comparison with before the improvement. To work this out, you take from 100, since we have 100 as the initial working hours, person hours, so 100 minus 65, which is 35. Therefore, A is the correct answer.